Hello, I am Erica Fogelman, and I want to warmly welcome you to my course, How to Design a Room in 10 Easy Steps. The reality is that for many people, interior design is a challenging task. Bringing together a room in a way that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing can be incredibly time-consuming and expensive, and you may not even end up with a room that you love. But pulling together a room does not have to be difficult. In fact, most designers follow a fairly systematic approach, and I am here today to help break down that approach for you in an easy-to-digest way. By the end of this course, you will have all the tools that you need to pull together just about any room, and it's only going to take you 10 distinct steps to do so. In fact, throughout the course, if you choose to participate in the activities, I will walk you through the main steps to designing a room in your own home. Now, that said, by the end of this course, you obviously won't be an expert in interior design because there is quite a bit of education and experience that goes into this particular field. But I am confident that you will be able to design a room that you are definitely happy with. During this course, you will learn and be able to quickly apply the key elements to creating a fantastic room design, including, but not limited to, identifying your preferred style, choosing a great color scheme with a simple formula, selecting the right size rug for a room, choosing the right furniture, creating a layered lighting scheme that is both functional and dramatic, selecting the right finishing touches, including your window coverings, greenery, and your accessories. And finally, you will receive some great recommendations from me on where you can purchase your furnishings at all price points. First though, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about myself. I own my own residential interior design business called Erica Dawn Interiors. I have a tremendous passion for designing rooms that create excitement and comfort for both myself as well as my clients. And I am so excited to be able to share some of my knowledge with you so that you can begin creating your own beautiful and your own functional rooms.